This requires building a workflow architecture where you're creating multiple adjustment or image manipulations targeted to specific hue ranges, which sounds elaborate but becomes elegant once you recognize that your document structure can be organized around color zones rather than adjustment types. Each color zone gets its own set of carefully crafted modifications that respect the unique characteristics of that color range. Saturation, luminosity, texture, and local contrast all receive treatment optimized for their specific color context rather than a one-size-fits-all approach. The cognitive shift that elevates this from useful to mastery level involves seeing your image not as a unified photograph, but as a palette of distinct color systems that happen to coexist, each with their own characteristics and optimization requirements, allowing you to achieve visual sophistication that globally applied adjustments cannot reach.